Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, and I am going to the Mercedes-Benz manufacturing plant down in Birmingham, Alabama today. I'm going to take y'all with me, so stay with us. Alright, I've gotten to my gate in Milwaukee, and the flight is about 45 minutes, but we have 45 minutes between the Chicago flight and the Birmingham flight, so I'm going to really need to hustle, find my gate, and hopefully we make the plane on time. Made it off the plane to Chicago, got about 20 minutes, 10 before boarding starts, so hopefully we make it. Fingers crossed, let's hustle. With AMG speed, we make it to the gate with 5 minutes left before boarding even starts, so we got plenty of time. Sweet. They moved the gate back to the concourse I was already at. I was at H, came over to G. It was supposed to be G1A, now it's back to H1A, so great. Back in a sprint. Woo. Still made it on time.
Board, please identify yourself.
Yeah. So in the way back, but I get my own row, window, and aisle. This is a tiny plane. Alright, we've deplaned. As you can see from the earlier videos, I was in the way back of the plane, but I had the entire aisle to myself because the plane was so small that it only had one chair per aisle. So I got the window seat and the aisle seat. So now we're gonna go find a Sprinter van to take us over to the hotel. You can already tell it's hot here, but that's what I've been complaining about at home, so I won't really complain about it here. I'm so hungry, this is not cool. I think I see the Mercedes van. There she is. Well, we made it to the room. I can honestly say the Birmingham airport is like surprisingly nice. It's really small and kind of quiet, but it's super contemporary and really clean, so I was impressed. Good job on that front. And then also the kind of van driver was really funny, just a comical little guy. Just very like laid back Southern kind of attitude to him. And then the hotel here at the Hyatt Regency is fantastic. It's attached to a mall. It's like this upscale Galleria kind of mall campus sort of thing, which is kind of interesting, but we're gonna go and try to find some food because I am starving. What's going on, everybody? Good morning and welcome to day 2. I apologize, I have some catching up to do for you guys. The end of day 1 was a little bit of a slip on my part. I didn't get much film for you guys, but I did want to recap what I did. So at 4:40, I kind of went downstairs to the lobby. They had a cocktail kind of mixer. It was interesting. I got to meet a lot of people. There's people from corporate, service, sales, office administration, everyone at every function was pretty much there, which was really cool. We got to see a lot of different perspectives. And then they gave us about an hour and a half little presentation on, what it means to be Mercedes, what we strive for, our goals. Customer focus was a huge overlying theme of the entire thing. So that was kind of interesting to see. Caitlin was our presenter and she did a great job. She's got a lot of energy. I don't know how she does it, but she did a fantastic job. And then they kind of ushered us out and we had dinner. We went to the Redlands, which was just another place around the hotel, but it was great food. Everything was paid for. Mercedes-Benz does a great job in kind of catering to what we would need. So I had a great time, met a lot of great people, and I'm excited for day 2 because we're gonna start the day with a plant tour. So we're gonna head to the plant, so stay tuned.
and technically we have left the United States. We will return back to the United States after lunch. So if anybody contacts you after the tour, just tell them I'm out of the country right now. I'll get with you when I get back.
So we don't get to take our phones into the plant. We get to take them with us, but we can't film anything. So I'm gonna try to get what I can for you guys, but we have to abide by the rules. So I apologize that it's not the full behind-the-scenes tour. We just got done with the plant tour, and obviously I couldn't take any photos or videos for you guys, but if you guys have been to the Harley-Davidson hard hat steel toe boot tour in Milwaukee, picture that, but like a million times bigger, a million times more organized, and a million times cleaner. It really is amazing. We went through the entire process from the beginning of the raw components and the steel and the door and the chassis, and everything like that, all the way through production to paint, upholstery, fitting, you know, every accessory, to these things rolling off the line on their own power. So it was really, really amazing. And this place is huge. And they have the test track right outside, so we're gonna go check that out tomorrow. Mercedes cares not only about the safety of you and your vehicle, but the safety of you in your daily life. So while I was out here looking for rabid geese, I stumbled upon a right-hand drive GLE 450 in a gorgeous midnight blue. Take a look. Also gonna get a sneak peek of the brand new GLS 450. Look at that, beautiful. You can see the new consistent design language. It's much more sculpted, less edgy. It's very reminiscent of the GLE on the inside. Got the grab handles in the center console. The steering wheel looks about the same. Dash is obviously the same kind of theme. Overall, I think it looks sleeker. It's less imposing and more elegant. This is I'm hoping you guys can see this. It's in the press color is this emerald green. It's stunning. Yeah, for those of you waiting for the new GLS, definitely worth the wait. All right, I think a lot of people are starting to come over to me, so I need to go, because I don't know if I'm supposed to be filming these cars. I found one of the aggressive geese. And another. Crazy and intense day at the factory. We are headed off to dinner at the Barber Motorsports Museum. Full recap after dinner. Restoration room, very off limits. So we've got wine, we've got beer, it's all free. Super cool dining area right next to some amazing old cars and bikes. And on the other side, the track. So we just wrapped up dinner at the Barber Vintage Motorsports Museum. It was incredible. The food has been incredible all day. We have some really, really exciting stuff planned for tomorrow. And I'm gonna give you a full recap of what we did today when we get back to the hotel. But for now, enjoy this goopy footage of these amazing vehicles.